Have you heard about the wildfires in California or the wildfires in Australia? If you are in California or Australia, you might have inhaled the smoke. But if you are in some other country, then it's only a news. Thank God it's not in my backyard. But these events not only affect that city or country, but entire world. Let me tell you an interesting finding. Scientists found greenhouse gas bubbles inside Greenland's ice. They disclosed that about 2000 years ago, people were releasing greenhouse gases. What is more interesting is where this gas came from. It came from far off land, ancient Rome and China. Between 100 BC and AD 1600, there was increase in activity of separating metals from rock. Designing metal weapons required burning wood. This released bad gases in air. During this time, greenhouse gases rose by 31 million tons each year. This is equal to gas required in inflating 124,000 balloons. All this gas traveled to Greenland. So you should worry if there is a thick smoke in another city or country, and more worrisome if that smoke or pollution is in your city, coming from factories, traffic jams, wildfires and trash burning. If your house is near any of these, you are at higher risk of losing your life too. But keeping few points in mind can help you breathe clean air at home. Avoid staying in areas where air quality index is bad, like highways, near small, big factories and slums. If your home is an area with bad air pollution, buy air purifiers. You can also try snake plant, which absorbs bad chemicals in air. Wear mask when being outside your house. It can protect you from bad chemicals in air. Thanks to COVID, we are bound to wear masks and keep our lungs healthy. Air pollution can reduce human lifespan by 3 years. It can keep your family sick all the time due to cold, cough, asthma. In some cases, it affects brain development of children too. With these tips, you can save yourself and your family at home. But how about outside? That depends upon what leader you select and how they define to curb this pollution. As a responsible citizen, you can still play some role by using public transport or electric vehicles, or even by working from home. Reducing pollution from outside will take time with efforts required from each one of us. Till then, keep your house free of pollution and stay safe.